Can't wait around forever, I got moves.
What's up guys, it's Cody. So for today's video I'm going to be assembling some more of the Prusa i3 Mk2s. I'm going to try to get through the x-axis and start the z-axis. Here's the parts I'm going to try to get through today. Okay, so first step we're going to attach the zip ties to this piece. The instructions are kind of unclear, but there are only 160mm zip ties included in this bag, so that's what we're going to use. Welcome. We're going to get 6 zip ties. They have been a correct orientation like this. Next we'll get the piece with the bearings on it. I have to orient it with these facing down. Like that. So we're going to place on the carrot. Alright, so now we can place the piece on here and zip tie it into place. So I'm going to start with the bottom one. I'll get them all on here first and then get back around and tighten them up. Just I'm gonna make sure all of these are facing down, these are facing up. We want to use the paddle just to tighten the zip ties. Then I'm going to cut off any excess pieces. Okay, so I think that should be good. Next we'll get the M318 screws, the X motor, and attach it to it. It's 1, 2, 3 of those, and then the X-axis motor. So I want this piece come out the bottom like this, and we'll attach it like that. We'll go ahead and get the screws started in it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tighten this piece up. So now I'm going to set this piece to the side. It's not advanced yet, but I'm going to go and get started on the Z-axis. So in the next video I can show them being connected together. So now we're going to get the Z-axis frame. And the parts in the Z-axis bag. Okay, so we've got these two pieces. The smaller circle piece has to be close to the outer edge. Yeah, so we go like this. We want to get the M310 pieces. Okay, I want to tighten all these pieces into here, but don't tie them too tight. I'll get them all started first, and I'll go back around and tighten them up. Then we'll get the Z-axis motors and attach some pieces to it. I want to remove this piece and attach this piece all the way to the end and put this piece back on. I have to do it twice. Okay, so you gotta screw these pieces on too. Okay, then I'm just gonna put these pieces back on over it. I'm gonna do the second one just the same. And now I'm going to screw this piece back on. Be good enough. Okay, so now we're going to place the Z-axis onto the frame. I have to do it the right way because this is the Z-axis wrap piece. So I have to screw these pieces all the way down for it to fit. Okay, so by default, we're not supposed to screw these trapezoid nuts back onto them. That's why it's not fitting properly. So now we can push it through. Make sure the rails are not pinched on the bottom. Now I screw the nut back onto it so I don't lose it. And this one's Z-axis left. So now goes the M3 10 screws and the M3 washers to tighten the motors to it. There should be 4 on each side altogether. So this may take a while. I'm going to get each of them started. So I'm going to end the video here for today. I'm going to go ahead and screw all the screws into place before next week's video so I can have more time to build more stuff onto it.